Everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and check out these solar fence lights. I just mounted the first one here. I'm going to have them on all the pillars of the railing, and these are going to be your RGB plus white or yellow warm light solar fence lights that'll stay charged because of the sun. It's going to come on when the sun goes down. You can turn it on here to kind of see some of the colors we can get. So if you look, we have our solar panel here. And then on the bottom, you're going to see 4 LED lights that are going to be RGB plus white or warm light. You can circle through the mode. You have your on and off button. You're going to get these backings too, which are nice. If you ever had to take them down, you can just slide them up and then clean them. You get the screws as well and the hardware to go ahead and get those mounted, which are really nice. These are nice, solid construction here. So as soon as it gets dark, I'll show you what one looks like. Here's the light at night. Look at that. That's pretty nice. That's a nice white light to light up the deck. I definitely recommend these. These are super nice. And again, if I reach my hand up here, I can change the color. Let me find the button. So we can go red, greens, different colors to light up the night. Super nice. Definitely check these out.